A big warm welcome to all of you. So Sheila, you can mute yourself. Right. So a very glad moment that all of you have joined and taken the first step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. So I would say you should start yourself. See, today you have taken the first step towards learning something. Now what happens, we always plan. We make so many resolutions in our life. Like every new year, we plan for something. We make resolutions. We'll do this. We'll do meditation. We'll start with yoga. We'll start with this education. We'll go for something new. But do we initiate that process? Yes, Radhika. Do you make resolutions? Suman?
Yes, sir.
So what happens on the first? Before 1 week, before the new year, we all start making some resolutions. And what happens on the first morning? Yes, Suman, Sushila, Pushkar. What happens on the first morning? All our plans are further delayed. They are further postponed. So today, you decided, yes, to start with the workshop of Vedic mathematics, and all of you are here. So a very glad moment, and I would suggest you should pat yourself. This is the first victory of your resolution, the first thing you dream of, and you have made it possible by attending, just attending, right? So you have taken the first step, and the first step always decides your future plans. So let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Yogesh Chandna, internationally certified trainer as well as author of Vedic mathematics. As an author, I have written books on Vedic mathematics step by step, so which gives you a step-by-step information or introduction to Vedic mathematics from basics to advanced. Also, for the last 25 years, I'm an educator, and my job is to help and motivate people to grow as an entrepreneurs, right? So this was the reason I said you, the first step is the most difficult one. We always plan for some things, but all those plans remains the plan. They remain the dream. They don't come to the conclusion because.
Namaskar, sir. Namaste.
Namaskar. So Kiran, you're late for 5 minutes. No issues. So we've just started, and the first step decides what would be the decision, what would be the way to the path, right? And that first, second thing I have always seen when I meet people, they say, Yogeshi, is it possible to learn at this stage of life? Is it possible? I'm already into job. I'm already a teacher. I'm already an entrepreneur. Do I need something special, or is it the right age, right time, a right moment to learn something new and such thing like Vedic mathematics? So my dear friends, age is just a number. Your life can start anytime, any moment. The only thing is you should have that belief in you. If you remember, what was the age of President of America when he was sworn in as a president? 70 plus. We all eat burgers at KFC. What was his age when he became the successful person of the world? He struggled so much, but he kept his journey. He kept that momentum in him. So life is that. If you feel you have not able to do, then you are lost. But if you have that zeal, everything can be done at the moment. So we'll start today's workshop. A very beautiful shloka a meaning of Bhagavad Gita that says, whenever we think, Radhika, please mute yourself, sir. Please mute yourself. Now, so the very beautiful saying from Bhagavad Gita is, whenever we think positive, whenever we start something negative, positive, there is always a negative doubt associated with it. I'll give you a small example. Like I told you, we all make resolutions every year. 1 week before we start making resolutions. And on the first morning, we think, oh, let's leave for a day. Let's start from second onwards. So if you have to go to a temple, you will leave. You'll say, I'll start from the second onwards. If you have to go for a jogging, you will stop that. If you have to go for a meditation, you'll stop that. But what happens if you have a plan for a movie? Do you stop that? Yes, Kiran, do you stop that? No.
No.
So that
Definitely
means,
not.
That means only for certain things, only for positive thoughts, there is always a doubt associated. And when I will see, I don't say that movies are a negative thing. But is it that positive? Is it that constructive? Is it that educative? So what happens? This is life. You are going for an interview. At the last moment, you think, should I go or should I not? Maybe I'm not selected. Why that doubt comes? So please understand, whenever you have a negative thoughts, that means you are going on a right track. The only thing is, nature is trying to give you signals. It is testing your patience. It is testing you whether you are doing it correct or not. This is the point. So what is expected from us? What does nature expect from us? The nature, it is expected that we should be always be self-confident. Life is that we have to be motivated and self-confident every time. But does this happen? No. Even during a daytime, during one single day, our confidence shakes a lot of number of times. Oh, I'm not feeling good, so I'll not have food. I'm not feeling good, so I'll not go for a work. What is this? So, believe me, whenever negative thoughts come in you, follow your path and you will always succeed, right? So this was the point. Whenever you have negative, positive thoughts, a doubt will always be there, right? So don't worry at all. Now you are on the right track, right place, and the right moment, right? And let's start this workshop with the positivity and the confidence. Now, this is a day to learn, launch, and succeed towards the path of life. So let me introduce some basics or give you a glimpse of some history of Vedic mathematics. So how many of you are aware now what is Vedic mathematics? Yes, Radhika, Sushila, I think you were there in that Ask Me show. Suman, what is Vedic mathematics now?
So according to my understanding, like Vedic mathematics has come from a very old origin. Like, we have 4 Vedas, and out of that, Atharva Veda is a root from where Vedic maths have come into our life.
Perfect. Yes, Kiran.
Sir, no idea about the Vedic math. Just today only in this session only I just did it.
Okay, you are not there. So what do? There is some banner coming at the background of you. What do you do,
I
Kiran?
think maybe I'm a teacher, sir. Just maybe my headset problem, sir.
No issues. No issues. Okay. Yes, Sarika. What is Vedic mathematics? Radhika.
I don't know, sir, anything.
Vedic
No,
maths is
anything.
that makes the math simple, easy, and fast,
Okay. See, Radhika.
giving us some tools.
Okay. Sushil, Banu. Okay. Still, Pushkar was there. Okay. Disconnected. Now, see, I'll clear you one thing. This is a workshop, not a seminar. So we will learn, but at the same time, we'll discuss. It's not I'll give some speech and you'll go and relax. No. I'll give you time to relax also. But before that, we'll do a lot of questions, around 100 plus questions, and answers also I need. Okay. So yes, Vedic mathematics. Why is it called Vedic mathematics? The very first thing. It is called so because it is believed to be derived from our Vedas, right? And particularly from Athar Veda, the Veda which deals with mechanics, sculpture, science, right? All these things are in Athar Veda. Now, this was why is it called Vedic mathematics? But who gave us this beautiful subject? Who gave us this magical subject? Yes, I used a line in the beginning. Welcome to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. So why do I call it as magical? You all will understand by the end of the session. So who gave us this magical subject? He was none other than Swami Bharti Krishna Tirathji Maharaj. And he was a Shankaracharya, a monk at a Shankara Peeth that is known as Govardhan Peeth, and that is in Orissa, India, right? So he was a great scholar who learned all these subjects, who used to study the Vedas, and he derived some sutras, some concepts, which has made our mathematics very simple, faster, and easy. Correct? Any question you have? Now, so in a simple language, yes, please. In a simple,
No question.
no issues. So in a simple language, if somebody asks you what is Vedic mathematics, so it is what makes your mathematics simple, faster, and easier. Right? Why simple, faster, easier? We say because we are able to do the same mathematics in mentally or in very few steps, and sometimes in a single step only. Right? We'll learn all these things. So Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques. What is techniques? The different concepts. Now in maths, we call it as formulas. So it is a collection of techniques / formulas, and in Sanskrit or in Vedic maths, we call this as sutras. So we can define it as it is a collection of techniques or formulas or sutras which helps to make our calculation, mathematical calculation, easy, faster, and simple. Now, is it clear? How many sutras do we have? We have 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. So first thing is, what is Vedic maths? How many sutras? 16 plus 13 sub-sutras. So that means 16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas. Now, where can we use? Because it is a myth that we generally use it for only arithmetic purpose, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Because we have seen that much only. Yes. Now, we can solve arithmetics. Yes, arithmetic that involves your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Other than that, squares, cubes, square root, cube root, and so on. Then we can solve algebra. So all of those who are math teachers, they might be knowing that if we have to multiply in algebra, it takes 4 lines to do. But here we can solve in a single line. right? It's not solving in a single line, reducing the steps. The basic aim is that we should start using our brain to calculate everything. So it will not only enhance our brain work in mathematics, it is our overall gaining confidence in life, right? So we can solve arithmetics, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, phonics, and even organic chemistry. So wherever mathematical problems will come, let it be in physics also, there also we can use Vedic mathematics. Is it clear now? Any questions you have up till here? Yes, Radhika, any question you have? Because you are fresh to it. Yes, please.
I don't know, sir, what to ask.
नो इश्यूज, जो भी दिमाग में आ रहा पूछिए. देखिए राधिका, अच्छा क्या करते हैं आप? राधिका, व्हाट डू यू डू?
I'm a housewife, normal housewife.
ओके ओके, अच्छा ठीक है. Just you inquired for books earlier, I remember. Okay. Yes, Kiran, any questions you have? Sarika, Suman?
No,
Priscilla?
sir. Just I need to ask that I just talked with the principal of the Morong. Okay, sir. I'm a teacher at Rashtra Nirma. Just I asked what happens if we implement the Vedic mathematics in our school, and he said, okay, better to call you for the seminar in the school. He said like that. Okay.
That we'll discuss later on. So not
Okay.
right time to discuss
Okay.
business over here. Right
Yeah,
now,
okay, sir. Vedic mathematics, okay, sir.
so right now we are doing step by step learning something. Do you have any questions up till here?
No, sir.
Okay.
So these sub sutras are like the formulas, subparts of these formulas, main 16 formulas we have.
See, we have 16 formulas, and sub sutras means sub formulas. Now what happens? For example, I'll give you, we have Nikhilam, one sutra is there. Now that sutra can be changed minutely and used somewhere else. So that becomes a sub formula. So I'll give you some formulas today also, some sutras we'll learn today also, but in depth we will go later on only, because there are 29, and it's not only 29 ways. If one sutra can be applied number of times. We'll apply today one sutra 2 times, and you'll see how differently they are applied. Though the concept is same, but application would be a bit different, right? So we'll do that. Yes, Suman, do you have any question now?
I don't have any questions. I have printed out the materials with 16 sutras and 13
Yes.
sub-sutras, and I was like
Okay,
doing.
that was a book which was, I think, Mr. Umesh gave you. Right.
Yes.
So all of you, he has shared, but yes, I've already shared with this. You can have this. This is a book. This is an e-book in which all the 29 sutras have been mentioned with one example. Somewhere 2 also examples it has been mentioned. Right. So you also can download this. It is given in now chat box. Thank you. Okay. Let's move further. Now the question arises, we are talking so much on this subject. Right from India, Nepal, foreign, everywhere you talk about any country, they are moving towards implementation. In India, it has been made mandatory, it has been made compulsory as per our national education policy. Our Honorable Prime Minister, he has announced twice in Mann Ki Baat that you should implement this subject, because this is very important for brainstorming. So why is it so important? Why people are talking about this subject so much? Do you know the reasons? Any reason you can state? Sarika, you have been looking from all the social media and all. So what do you think? Why should we learn Vedic mathematics, or why should anybody learn Vedic mathematics?
So because it is just not a some trick or something. It has a scientific reason behind it. The way of solving the questions, and that too in a very easier manner, like in a line. And secondly, because right, in class, in the live session, you said like we are studying every subject, we are writing from left to right, right to left. So why not do maths also left to right?
Okay. Okay. Yes. Uh, so Sushila is not answering. Radhika says, I don't know. Yes.
Oh no.
So
Yeah,
Radhika,
yes.
why do you thought of attending a class? Let's put it the other way. Why did you thought of attending the class? क्यों सोचा आपने क्लास लगाने का? Yes, Radhika, this is for you.
एक्चुअली मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं खाली बैठी रहती हूँ, तो मे भी अगर मेरी अच्छी हो जाए सब चीजें तो मैं ट्यूशन दे सकूँ, ये ऐसे बेसिक.
Then you are on the right track, but एक नेगेटिव है. नेगेटिव ये है, डाउट्स क्लियर नहीं करोगे, बच्चे नहीं छोड़ेंगे. आप तो मुझसे क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछोगे, पर बच्चे कोई भी क्वेश्चन छोड़ेंगे नहीं. बच्चे
मैं अपना टाइम का यूज कर सकूँ, इसीलिए मैं सोची कि ऐसी कोई क्लास कर लेती.
That's what I'm saying. You are on the right track, but दो चीजें इंप्रूव करनी पड़ेंगी. You have to ask more and more questions then. आपके डाउट सबसे ज्यादा होने चाहिए फिर. ठीक है? Because even if you are ignoring now questions, they'll not ignore when you'll start taking their class.
Actually, I don't know कि मेरे को बेसिक तक भी नहीं पता अभी तो.
बेसिक अभी तक शुरू नहीं हुआ. बेसिक नहीं शुरू हुआ, ना बेसिक की जरूरत है. Don't worry at all. We'll practically do now. Then you will understand everything. Right. So Suman, any questions up till here? No.
No, sir.
Okay. Right. So now I'll give you why Vedic mathematics. Why are we talking so much about this subject? It is because of the advantages. So it has got so many advantages that we are forced to learn this. It has become a necessity. It has become a
हम सिंपल तरीके से भी करवा सकते हैं बच्चों को. जैसे अगर ये प्रोसेस में मतलब ये अगर नहीं समझे तो हम जैसे जो नॉर्मल बेसिक मैथ्स के रूल्स होते हैं वो भी इसमें आएंगे कि बस यही.
आप टेबल्स जानते हैं?
हाँ, यस.
89 का टेबल कितनी देर में लिख सकते हैं?
89 का टेबल पता नहीं,
फिर
नहीं लग सकती. मे बी 89 1 जा और 2 जा मे बी कैलकुलेट.
कितने टाइम?
बहुत ज्यादा टाइम.
Sir, I have learned your method, sir. Vedic mathematics, I have learned the method.
No issue.
Quite easy.
Otherwise, normally teachers भी बोलेंगे 8 to 10 minutes.
बहुत टाइम लगाऊंगी.
Do we have so much of time in writing one table in the exam? And second thing, it's not writing the exam. It is the confidence. Now, the moment I asked you this question, your confidence was shaken. और अगर ये आपको आता, अगर ये आपको आता, तो then how much difference it could have brought? You would have confidently said, sir, 10 seconds. And believe me, Radhika, you will be able to do it in 10 seconds. After half an hour, you will be able to do this in 10 seconds. So basically, there is a difference. See, first try to understand. Vedic maths is not a different subject. It is whatever you have learned in mathematics, doing that mathematics in a different manner. And that different manner is fast, simple, and easy. Right? So this is a basic difference, what you are getting confused. Now, so why Vedic mathematics? The very first reason is it increases our speed. 10 to 15 times faster. Can you believe this? That speed can be increased. Yes, Radhika. Can you believe कि आपकी 15 मिनट या 10 मिनट के अंदर ही इतने टाइम स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी?
अभी तक तो नहीं लग रहा है.
नहीं लग रहा. Good. Yes, Sarika. So you know. Yes. Now my question is entirely different. My question is, why does it happen? Speed क्यों बढ़ती है? Radhika, you have to believe this right now. Yes, speed will increase. But now the question is very different. The question is behind this logic. Why the speed increases? And the first reason behind that is our way of doing it. So some of you already attended my one session. So do you know that basics? But let me again repeat it here for all the freshers. And yes, Radhika, how do you write? किस डायरेक्शन से किस डायरेक्शन में लिखती हैं?
किस डायरेक्शन में?
ओके, कैसे पढ़ते हैं? We write from left to right.
Yes.
Left to right.
We read from left to right.
Yes, left to right.
Now you're sitting at your home. Just see in front of you. There might be a cupboard. There might be a mirror. There might be something placed. The first instance, you'll be seeing the things placed on the left and then towards the right. It's very fraction of seconds, but it is like this one. Because everything we do, that is in the same manner. Now the question arises, then why do you do maths the reverse way? Yes, sir. Why do we do maths the reverse way?
हमने बचपन से यही सीखा.
ये हमारे अंदर कमी यही है, हमने ये ऐसे ही सीखा है. Then we never try to change. बचपन में तो मम्मा ने आपको, आपकी मदर ने परोंठा खिलाना सिखाया था, रोटी खिलानी सिखाई थी. आपने पिज्जा कब सीख लिए? बचपन में तो दूध पिलाना सिखाया था, हम शेक्स पे कैसे आ गए? See, this is what is known as progress. We always try to change ourselves as per the time. What in education? Did we ever thought the process, why we are doing this way? Because that is a place where we never think. We send the kids to the school, finish. What they are doing, homework check earlier, finish. Did we ever thought of it? So this is the basic reasons why your maths is slow. Because you do reverse of what is the natural process of you. Everything you check it, everything, writing, reading, to watching, everything is left to right. Only maths is right to left. And that is the reason why maths goes slow. Correct. So in Vedic maths, you will get that opportunity either to move from left to right or right to left. That will make your mathematics faster. Correct. So this was the first reason because of which our speed gets increased. Is it clear? Is this point clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, second, I'll give you one question. 576 multiplied by 121. What is the first step, Radhika? क्या करेंगे इसमें आप?
1 से 6 को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी, फिर 1 से 7 जो बेसिक जो रहते हैं.
तो इसका मतलब आप this will be what you will do.
Yeah.
ऐसे लिख के और 6, 7, 5 and so and so. So 3 times you will carry out multiplication and 4th time you will carry out addition. Correct?
Yeah.
That's great. Remember, you told me this procedure up till 10 minutes. Now, what happens in Vedic maths? We try to visualize Why do we visualize? Because every number has a different property. If a number is ending with 5, it will have something different. If number is ending with 4, it will have something different. If a number is starting with, so we start visualizing. Need not to remember also, need not to cram also. But visualization happens. And then you try to find a reason behind it. Reasoning. And then you apply the logic. Now these three, visualization, reasoning, and logics, these are called as life-changing process. Now why it is called as life-changing process? See, for an example, if you remember, if two kids are fighting in front of you, what is the first thing you'll advise them? Be calm, be cool, and then tell. So the first thing, you'll always try to calm them so that they can they can visualize what happened, why this all started. Then they'll find a reason, yes. And then they'll accept, yes, sorry, or whatever. So the first step, we always say, be calm. Similarly, when you start visualizing, whatever problem comes in your life, whatever is the problem, you'll start first visualize that problem, then you'll find a reason behind that, and then you'll apply logic. This is why we call it as life-changing process. So starting from mathematics, what we started in Vedic maths, that would be just visualizing the numbers. But when it becomes a habit, it becomes a life-changing process. And that is the reason, yes, Sarika, you were right at that moment, that it changes the life, the pattern of life. And so many research are being conducted on this. So it's not only to teach mathematics, it is to teach life. So we will visualize the numbers, find the reasons, and then apply the logic. And I want all of you to experience this. And you will experience when we'll be doing some questions, and then we'll come to the same type of question and you'll say the answers. Right? So when your visualization is increased, when your logics are improved, when your reasonings are, so that automatically increases your speed. So this was the second reason why your speed gets increased when you use Vedic mathematics. Because everything you are doing mentally. Correct? So that is the second reason why our speed gets increased. Coming to the third reason. So Radhika, when your maid is absent, do you have maid?
Yes.
So when she's absent, are you able to do the household jobs in less time or more time?
Less time.
Why? Yes, Sarika, same question to you.
Management, because of the management, it's totally upon me now. I don't have to depend upon anybody.
So that means when we are not
The
dependent
control
on
is
you,
in my hand now.
so when control is in your hand, your speed gets increased. Similarly, in Vedic maths, you will not use paper. You will not use pen. So no dependency on paper and pen. No dependency. And you are doing everything mentally. So that means it would be much faster or not? जब डिपेंडेंसी राधिका खत्म होगी, you don't need a paper कि पहले पेपर पे लिखना शुरू करें. So everything you're going from your head. So it would be much faster. Got the reason clear? Fourth reason. Now, when we are thinking something, when we are calculating something, that means Now, some part of the calculation is always in the intellect. Intellect means your brain. Now, what happens? Your both brains start working. Left brain, kiska strong hota hai? Who has more left brain active? People who are logically stronger. And right brain is stronger for those people who are more arts oriented. That may be art, music, dancing, anything. And with the help of this subject, both your brains start working. I'll give you an example, a multiplication with 2. And you'll see within 2 minutes only, your both brains will start working. And you'll feel that one brain is thinking the calculation, another brain will start thinking what will come next. Very beautiful experience and very good exercise of brainstorming. So when both the brains get activated, both right brain and left brain are activated, then definitely your speed will enhance. So these are 4 basic reasons due to which our speed increases. Any question regarding this? Yes, Suman? Shishila, you have not asked any question. What happened? Not getting anything?
No, we were more looking for the way to doing it.
Calculation. Now, in 1 minute, we'll start calculation. The point was why calculation is required and what differences will come. So we have to understand that differences first. We'll start that now. Okay. So let's start as per him. Let's start with the calculations, but just give me. So this was the first reason or first advantage of Vedic mathematics. So first topic we'll start with is, now we need to see, today we are in a scientific era. You cannot believe whatever I say. You need an answer, you need a proof for that, right? So we'll not now understand all these 4 different, whatever we have done right now, we understand whether they are correct or not. So the first topic I'm taking is multiplication. So take out your paper and pen so that you can write down the questions and answers you will be able to solve mentally. So multiplication with 11 and its multiples. This is the first topic we are taking. Please remember this topic also. There would be a question on this also. Okay. Now everyone is aware about the magics of number 11. So 11 is such a magical number. You see, 11, if you multiply with any single digit number, now this is a single digit number, multiply with 11, the same single digit number is repeated twice. 4, 44, 6, 66, 7, 77, 8, 88. We all know this. But did we ever thought what will happen when this 11 is multiplied with any 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 20 digit? No. So today we'll learn all this, and this all can be done within seconds. So the first question, 12 into 11. Yes, Radhika, how will you do this? 12 into 11.
12, 120, 131.
132.
131 कैसे आया? 12, 11, 2, 12, 0.
120 or oh, sorry, 120 plus
I'll give you a very easy method today. First digit as it is. Second digit as it is. In between, add the two numbers. What is 1 plus 2?
3.
So this is your answer. 1, 3, 4. So 1, 4, and what is? Sorry, I'll go for bigger numbers later. 143. Do we need to calculate that way? Do we need 2 times multiplication and 1 time addition? 26 into 11. Yes, what is the answer? Radhika now. Shukla.
26.
286.
286. नहीं समझ आया राधिका अभी भी?
आ गया.
तो आंसर तो आया नहीं आपका.
Calculate कर रही थी.
No need of paper and pen for this particular. So what is 24 into 11?
34 into
24.
24 into 11.
सारे 11 से ही हो रहे हैं. जरा वो सोचने की जरूरत
15.
नहीं. Sorry.
264.
2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4. Do it mentally. 2, 6, 4. That's all. See, I'll give you again.
Now I will.
First understand. ये 11 यहाँ पर है, इसीलिए concept applicable है. इसलिए don't think of this 11 now. 1 as it is. 1 plus 5.
4 and 5 and then 4.
So think mentally, na. 14. So 1, 5, 4. So what is 17 into 10?
17.
187.
Yes, Suman.
187.
Clear. Good. Okay. 26 into 11.
86.
Okay. 34 into 11.
374.
74.
13. 6 into 11.
396.
Yes, Radhika. हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा? Sushila. No answer.
396.
Now, I'll just give you one more addition to this. Now, when we are doing this, I'm saying first digit as it is,
286.
then we are adding and then keeping the last digit.
86.
So what you should add, there is one line. This is known as balancing line. Just add this. Why this is taken? So that there are no 2 digits at each position. Only single digit. Physically, this line has no importance. But if you understand these balancing lines, 50% of your Vedic maths is done. Vedic maths, not I'm saying today's workshop. Vedic maths. Entire Vedic maths work on these two lines. Means 2 or 3. If bigger numbers, bigger lines. So what is 72 into 11?
792.
212.
Very good. 81 into 11?
891.
90 into 11?
999.
990.
Sorry.
Last digit is 0. Nothing will happen to the last digit ever. Now, okay, now I'll give you one. Now this all was when you were not having any carryover. Because the digits you were adding were making less than 9 or equal to 9. Now see the difference between both. 36 gives me 3, 9, 6. But 37, it gives me 3, 10, 7. So, is the answer 3, 10, 7?
No.
407.
No.
So, now what happens? Why this was added? Why I told you this? This is the balancing line. So, this is place is correct. You have one digit here. But can we have 2 digits here?
No.
So, extra digit moves further. 4, 0. So if you are clear with this balancing technique, another 25% of Vedic maths is done. Everywhere you'll find this only. You'll get the answer in one single line. After that, you just have to balance them. And balancing means one digit at one place. Why I'm doing this? One digit at one place. Have you studied about unit place and place values?
Please.
How many digits you can have at unit place?
1.
1. How many digits at tens position?
2.
2.
No.
Digit is 1.
Digit is 1. Total are 2. If I talk about. But only one digit. Similarly, 100 also 1.
1.
This is only what you have to remember. This is only what we do. Only 1. Now is it clear? Okay, let's solve some 48 into 11. Now what is the answer?
5 to 8.
528.
F2.
Yes, Radhika, you didn't answer.
F2.
समझ आया कैसे हुआ ये?
Okay.
This is 4, 12, 8. Now see, use your brain. Pehla brain kar raha 4, 12, 8. Then what is 12? 12 you cannot have it. 1 will come extra. And if you just apply the brain, just look how you have to understand 4. Now I know, think from this side. 4. Before writing 4, I'll just see what is the next number coming, 12. That means I'll get 1 carryover. So instead of 4, I'll write 5 only. Add 1, carryover is coming. Then 4 plus 8 is 2 only left. 1 has already gone and 8 as it is. So start using your brain. What is 55 into 11?
605.
610.
60?
5.
605.
601 नहीं होगा. Correct? Yes, Kiran, are you getting?
Okay. Nice one.
Nice one. Have you answered anything?
Answer. Main time answer.
See, the more you'll practice, more you'll be getting. Okay. 64 into 11.
704.
704.
No. 804.
8 कैसे?
Oh my God. I multiply. Sorry. Multiply. 704. Correct.
66 into 11.
726.
Very good. Okay. So let's finish it off. 67 into 11.
737.
7.
So everybody got it? 737. Now it should be fast enough.
Yes.
Yes, Radhika. हो रहा है कि नहीं?
सर मेरे को टाइम लगता है.
टाइम आपने आप खुद को कह रहे हो कि मुझे टाइम है इसलिए लग रहा है। जब आप ये देखो अभी तक कुछ भी तो नहीं किया, 1 + 2 1 + 4 1 + 5 1 + 6, इसलिए
हाँ।
क्यों टाइम लगना है?
थोड़ा सा वो कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ।
कंफ्यूज। फिर फर्स्ट थिंग, कल सुबह उठ के और रोज सुबह उठ के बोलो यस आई कैन डू इट। देखो अपने आप हफ्ते में आप कितना चेंज आ जाओगे। डोंट फर्स्ट अपने आप को ये समझाओ कि मुझे आता है। जो आपके अंदर ये आ चुका है ना, आई कैन नॉट डू, दैट इज द बिगेस्ट ट्रबल। सो ब्रेक दैट बैरियर, say I can do, then you will be able to do everything. Okay, so what is the largest 2-digit number?
99.
99.
So what is 99 into 11 now?
10,
1089.
1089.
Done. So it was very easy. Okay. So any doubt from number 11 to 99, any 2-digit number, any doubt, any question you think we are not able to solve up till now?
Clear, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Sushila, no answers.
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Let's start with 3-digit number, sir.
Sorry?
Let's start the 3-digit number.
Now we'll start 3, we'll go up to 5, no issues. Step by step only. See, if you are not thorough with 2 digits, 3 will give you a problem. So first, 120
Okay.
into 11. Now what is the answer? Can you guess?
3, 5, 6.
Let me tell you. First, 1,
5.
then 3. Because 1 plus 2 makes 3.
3.
And 2 plus
2
3.
plus 3, 5. 3. 1, 3, 5. Okay, sir. Now we got it.
And we had been doing like this: 123, 11. So 123, 0, 123, 1, 3, 5, 3, 2 times addition, 2 times multiplication, and 3 times, and third time addition. Now is it clear?
Now clear. Up to 5, 6, all this is clear, sir.
But only with 11, we'll learn more. Don't worry. So step by step. 2, 3, 4 into 11. Yes,
2, 5, 7, 4, sir.
very good. That's great. Yes, Suman. राधिका, क्या हुआ?
2574.
तो हो तो गया आपसे, फिर डर क्यों रहे? आवाज में जब हो भी गया फिर आवाज में कॉन्फिडेंस क्यों नहीं है? मेड पे इतनी धीरे से बोलते हो? See, have confidence whatever you do in life. Okay, 3, 5, 4 into 11.
3894.
3894.
3894.
So again, this was not having any carryover, so we were able to calculate it mentally. Yes, Suman, any doubts you have?
No, I don't have a doubt. It's going fine.
Okay, 3, 6, 4.
3,
39
4, 0,
Fast.
3004.
4004 maybe.
004.
4004.
4004.
4004.
10, 4. So
4004, sir.
4004.
0, 4. Got it? Now, how do we do this? This comes here, so it becomes 10. So again,
Again, one carryover.
now it is clear?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 7, 6, 5.
8415, sir.
Sorry, come again.
8415.
Yes, others?
Yes.
8415.
8415.
The only thing is you have to start using the brain. 7. I have to generally write the same number.
Better to start from right side, sir. It will be more easy, sir. If you start from right side, just try from right side, sir.
No, this you'll have to change your point later on. I'll tell you how. So instead of writing this, we can add this. Similarly, 7 plus 6, 3, but 3 gives me another 1. 4, 1. Right. Right? Okay. Then 8, 9, 6.
9856.
9856.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. 985 का क्या आएगा?
985, sir.
956.
985 का क्या होगा?
10835. 10835.
Clear? Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Easy है किरण?
Clear.
Easiest one.
Easiest one, and we never thought of it. Yes? Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. So what is the largest 3-digit number?
999.
999, 999.
So what is 999 into 11?
10989.
10989.
1.
Someone got the answer? Shushila got the answer?
Yes, 10989.
Very good. Radhika, you didn't get the answer? See, 9, 18, 18, 9. So 10989. ये यहाँ पर चला गया, इसका एक्सेस इधर चला गया, खत्म। Clear up till 3-digit numbers. Any doubt from number 11 to 999?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Very good. Interesting. Okay. So 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11.
13574.
13574.
Yes.
And if you remember, this was the first question I generally asked. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? 135,794. And at that time, everybody says, I cannot do. Now you can do, Sushila.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Radhika, Sarika. So quite easy. The only thing is, we were not aware of this system. Okay. So 3, 5, 7, 4 into 11. What is the answer?
38.
39314.
39314.
8, 4. So that means 3, 5, 3, 1, 4. Clear? Anyone has a doubt? Any question of doubt?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, please, come on.
So as Kiran mentioned, like it is easier to work with when you're working from right to left in this. Like if you're adding numbers, it becomes much easier.
Right
Why
to
is it so? Yeah, like in 3574, what I did was like starting with the right 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 1 and 1 carry. And then 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry.
you are saying this thing because you are doing on paper. Now think in the other way. Think you don't have a paper. 3574 is with you. You have to the first and close your eyes and think 3 is the first number. You have to write 3. But now before writing 3, your brain says no. Another number is coming. But it does not have a carryover. So you are able to write 3. Then you have to write 3 plus 5, 8. Again, you'll think, do we have anything? Yes, we have. So we'll add up. See, when we are doing on paper, we are doing it from past 30, 35 years. Just leave the paper and then tell me which is faster. Your right to left or left to right. See, our aim is today to understand, can we do mentally? We will not continue this with paper and pen only. If I have to continue with this paper and pen only for longer, then there is no use. Then it is just a trick to do in a best manner. But if I have to implement Vedic maths in myself, if I have to make the proper use of Vedic mathematics, that means I have to train my brain. And how my brain works faster, that I have to work on it. That I have to observe. So now think this way, leave the paper for 5 minutes, not in the workshop after that, don't worry. Then you will get your answer. Correct? Okay. 6, 7, 8, 6. It's 11.
Mm.
Seven, 4, 6, 4, 6.
7, 4, 6.
Yeah.
Seven, 4, 4, 6.
So I think you got the idea now. Chalo, one last.
Nine, 5, 1.
9.
5, 4, 1, 4.
Sarika, can you observe this now? Just close your eyes and observe the number. So 8 and now first thing I have to write 8, but no, I'll not write because 8 and 6 are giving me a carryover. So I write 9. 8 and 6 is 4. Before writing 4, I see 4. See, I'm getting another carryover. So instead of writing 4, I'll write 5. Again 3, but I'm getting one carryover 4. Now last two would be the same. Correct?
Yes.
But So one more with 4 digits. Can I like
Yes,
calculate
yes,
mentally?
yes. I'll give you homework also, don't worry.
Oh, just for right now.
We'll give you homework also. And homework is very important. Okay. Chalo, I will not give easy. 8476.
9, 3,
9, 3,
Yes, Dinesh, it's
2,
1 hour gone. We
9,
have all
3,
around 80 questions.
9, 3, 2, 3, 6.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. I
No
was
issues.
stuck somewhere.
No issues. You can join next time also, and now we'll be going for second different method. Then you can follow up. But this particular, we are about to finish. So it's already 1 hour. Okay. Yes.
93236, sir.
So 8 plus 4 will give me 1 carryover. So I write down 9. 8 and 4, 2, but no, I'll get carryover. Then 4 and 7 will give me a carryover. So 1 is 2. 6 and 7, 3. Yes. Then what
6,
after
6 plus 7, 3.
6, 9, 3, 2, 3, 6.
3 and 6?
And
Correct?
6. Yes.
Okay. So what is the largest 4-digit number?
9.
What is
9.
4 times 9 into 11?
It will be
0, 1, 0, 0, 8, 9. 1, 0, 0, 8, 9.
109989.
5989. Correct. Got it? Any doubt now? So now can you give this answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. No
It
need
will
of
be
paper.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5.
Now what you are doing? You're doing from left to right only.
Yes. I practice.
Right to left.
Do it from right to left.
It will be 5, 9, 7, 5, 2, 5, 3, 1.
So
Then
you got
I have
used
to-
that. See what happens when you are doing on paper, because we have got the experience of 30 years, 20 years, 10 years. So that addition is there. Na? Okay.
Yeah, so got
So now, yes. Now, any doubt, any question you have? Okay.
Yes, it's-
Now, let's see. I'll give you just, if you have even 10-digit number, if it is without over. Okay. If it is carryover, then also now you can do, but let me give you one without carryover so that at least you should have that confidence that I can do such big questions. Can we multiply this with 11? Yes,
1,
very
3,
easy.
6, 9, 8, 5, 8, 9, 8, 3, 6, 4.
See how easily you could do it. And otherwise, you will tend to make any mistake. Why? Because multiplying with 11 will carry out 2 different steps. Now, is it possible from right to left?
So on pen and paper only.
Yes. Got the answer?
I got the answer, but we'll be doing on pen and paper. So on pen and paper, it is much easier.
See, now don't compare your experience of so much age with 10 minutes. So much time we have given to maths, and now only 10-20 minutes. How can we compare both?
Yes.
That's
So the moment we'll realize this fact, then everything is done. Okay. So what was the topic?
Multiplication with 11 and
11 and its multiple.
Multiplication with 11.
And its multiples.
अभी तो multiples तो आया ही नहीं. Correct? Where did we multiply? Where did we multiply?
We did only addition.
We did?
Simple addition carry over 1.
Okay. So when we start teaching in early classes, class 1, class 2 or class 3, we say multiplication is repetitive action of addition. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This is how we teach. Repetitive action of addition. And the example, best example is 2 into 3. Now at the first time, student does not know what is this cross. It says 6. They don't know because till that time they have understood only plus or maximum minus. And we say if 2 is added 3 times, then it becomes 6. Though it is difficult to digest at that time, but this is what we are taught. Correct? So we say multiplication is repetitive action of addition. Now in the above concept, we did not do multiplication. We did not do repetitive addition. Did we do repetitive addition? The first question was, if you remember, the first question I took was 12. So did I add it 12, 11 times?
No.
Or did I add it 11, 12 times?
No.
So what we did? What did you observe? What we did? We did a very simple thing. We just added corresponding digits. So these are the two observations. We added corresponding digits. See, ऐसा तो नहीं किया हमने 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 में 1 और 5 को ऐड किया. No, we added 1 or 2 only. Neither we added 1 or 5. No. So we added corresponding digits. We never thought of it. And in entire Vedic maths, this is the procedure. Not exactly 100% like of 11, but yes, we add the corresponding digits and that makes sense. What was the second major change? Radhika, क्या ऑब्जर्व किया आपने? सुशीला,
Carry over.
ओके. उसके अलावा कैरी ओवर तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी आता है. नया क्या था आज? What new we observed or we learned?
Working from
Hmm?
working from left to right.
Yes. So entire life we were working from right to left only. This is the first time in our life we work from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, paper pe maybe you are good at right to left. Maybe I'll say because you have a habit. But if you try to do it mentally, it is much faster when you go from left to right. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. 9, 7, 5, 4. That becomes that stops, hinders my speed. Clear? Yes, any doubt now? See, if you have any questions, I give you 1 minute, 1 minute totally to ask me any question. Otherwise, we'll have a test now.
No, sir. I'm so excited to learn the multiplication of other digits of number.
Sir, one small question.
Yes,
When
please.
we're working with only single digit, like 5 into 11, then we have to tell the kids like we have to multiply 5 into 11 or like what?
You want what exactly you want? You want that was
In 2 digits, we are adding repeat like corresponding digits. We are adding 11 into 11 is 1, 2, 1.
Hmm.
But what is 5 into 11?
See, now you are saying if it is 12, we are adding, and if it is 5, what we are doing? Now, one way, if you want to follow the same pattern, then you can
Okay,
say
we'll put
5.
0, 5.
If you want to say follow the same pattern, but otherwise, let them feel the magic na. If I तभी तो वो शुरुआत की yes. See, we have to make our classes more interesting. I'll teach you today. We'll go for the tables, but yes, I'll teach you table in a maturity way, thinking that all of you are teachers and all. But if you'll see the video of the same topic for the kids, it would be entirely different. Because there you have to create some fun also. There you have to create more interest. See, you are coming because of your requirement. Because you need it for business, you need it for something XYZ. But students are not coming on their own. Please understand, their parents are forcing them to join your class. So they are coming, they are sitting idle like this. Now you have to provoke them to speak. You have to generate that interest. And when it is online, now offline mein to kya hai ki you can see every student's eyes. But online mein what happens? Sometimes they are hiding. Sometimes you are not able to understand the emotions. Sometimes you are not, the expressions you are not able to. So to take everything out, you need to have some funny moments. You need to have some happy moments there and expressive moments. I'll give you an example that I'll be teaching you that, how to teach it to the kids. So otherwise I have a workshop now on Tuesday. You can see that video. So you'll get to know when it's with kids, you have to work a different way. Okay. Yes, any questions? Otherwise, we'll have a test now. Radhika, test देना पड़ेगा. Movie नहीं चल रही है, ऐसे बैठ जाना. This is maths workshop. You have to work on it. Yes, ready? Okay. So the first question is 141 into 22. What is the answer? I'll be back in 1 second.
Oh my God. One, four, one.
3102.
Seven, zero, one. Three, two, zero, two.
Yes. So Radhika, क्या आंसर है? सारिका,
310.
कैसे? How?
Sir, I did 141 into 2 into 11.
अच्छा, सुमन. Shushila,
3202.
how?
141 into 2 into 11.
Okay. Dinesh was not there. Kiran? Nahi. Kiran we get. Yes, Sarika, why did you do this?
So to make it 11 or number 11.
So, if yes, Radhika. Any guess? समझ ही नहीं आया. तो ऐसे कर लेते हैं 141 into 22.
हाँ, ये से तो किया था, वो तो आ
क्या
गया
था?
है.
बाकी क्योंकि आप सो गए थे बीच में. अब समझ
5102.
3102 आएगा.
हाँ, 3102.
ठीक है. Now, Sarika, if this question was asked 10 minutes before this workshop, you would have attempted this way?
Yes, sir.
Sushila,
Yes, sir.
same. If this question was asked 10 minutes before, you would have applied like this only?
Yes, sir.
So what happened now?
No, sir. No. No, sir.
Then how would you have applied?
We had applied this technique you have just taught us.
That is what I am saying. Workshop se pehle kya karte? What would you have done before the workshop if this question was asked to you?
We would have multiplied 141 into 22.
So this method, no, this method.
Yeah. Yes, this
Okay.
method. Sir.
So what happened now? Now you visualize that this is what? This is a multiple of 11. So you take like this.
Yes.
So that means you visualize, then you find a reason. Yes, it is 11 multiplication. And then you applied that logic.
Yes.
Same, Sarika. Did you apply this or did you apply this?
Sir, I applied 141 into 2 and then into 11.
Now, this is first, this is second. Both are correct. But which is more appropriate if I ask? Can you think? Radhika,
So
आपने
the
ऐसा
second
नहीं
one.
सोचा? राधिका ऐसा नहीं सोचा आपने?
नहीं.
11
मेरा
लगा.
सेकंड थॉट तो ऐसा आया कि मैं 141 को 20 से वो मल्टीप्लाई करूं पहले, तो मेरा 182 ऐसे कुछ आएगा, फिर मैं उसको 2 मतलब उस पे का कुछ थॉट आया था.
कोई बात नहीं, आज होमवर्क करना तब आ जाएगा. देखो थोड़ा सा पता क्या होता है, आप पहले तो नेगेटिव सोचना छोड़ दो कि आपको नहीं आएगा. बी पॉजिटिव कि मैं कर पाऊंगी. और मैंने तभी कहा था जितना साथ साथ क्वेश्चंस करोगे उतना दिमाग चलना शुरू हो जाएगा. Now see, they are in front of you. Even before the workshop, they would have carried this operation. Now they have changed because they were doing it practically. So what happens now? They found that yes, this was visualized. Ki this is not. मैंने आपको कोई भी 22 का क्वेश्चन तो कराया नहीं. I taught you only 11. ना मैंने एक भी एग्जाम्पल दिया ना एक भी. So there was nothing. I gave them a hint also. It was their thought of that thought process, and that thought process I wanted to see. Now both are correct in this case, but this is more appropriate. Why? I'll tell you why. You should understand this also reason. See, every time you'll not get 22.
Sir, can I guess? Sir, maybe just because 141 is 3-digit and 1551 is a bigger number.
Yes, that is true. But now 141. Now that was what I was explaining. Every time you cannot get 22. It can be 99 also, or anything else. So at that time, 141 into 9 was easy, or 1551 into 9 was easy.
141.
So whenever you are asked to multiply, keep this in your mind. Whenever you are asked to multiply with the multiplier of 11, means 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Then first multiply with the multiplier. Why? Just now we saw 10-digit number you can multiply with 11. Can you multiply that 10-digit number with 2 also?
Not mentally.
For 2 mental processes there. For 4 mental processes there. 8 mental processes there. But generally, can we multiply? No. So just keep in your mind, first multiply with the multiplier. Then whatever number, big number we are getting, we can at least easily multiply with 11. Clear now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, any question? Okay. Now can we do?
Yes.
What is the answer?
Six, 9, 6, 9, 6.
Yes, Sushila. Radhika. सोचो 576 121 क्या होता है?
11 into
That's all. So first 11 will give me 6336. Another 11 will give me 69696.
Yes.
And this was the question I asked you initially. If you remember, see, this was the question. When we started 576 into 121. And at that time, everyone had this view. That changed. This is known as visualization, reasoning, logic. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you have experienced this, that means you are going on the right track. You are understanding what is Vedic maths then. You are making use of that. And that was required. That experience was required. The way of approach has changed. See, one person rightly said, I was there in Arbindo Ashram. And madam said she said exact word which I was never getting. It gives you ability to think. Yes, that is the correct. It really gives you ability to think. Got it? Any doubt now? Any questions you have? Suman, are you not there?
Yes, I am there.
You're not asking any questions, no queries at all?
I was working with the number and could not figure it out in the
Which
first
one?
instant.
So by this example, you could not figure out 141
No.
into 22?
Yeah, 22 was okay, but like 121, I did not divide it into like 11 and 11.
But from now you will see, if 22 was done, at least half of the job is done. See, everything, because what happens, try to understand one more thing. When we grow, we have so many things going in our brain. Right. At the same time, we are working, we are learning also, we are doing so many other exercises. There are so many responsibilities and all. So don't worry at all. The only thing, take it this way, I'll need 1 day more practice. That's all. Nothing more than that. Correct. Okay. Now, one question arises. We started with 12 into 11. Then we did 1, 2, 3 into 11. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. So that means 11 should be fixed only. Is this concept working for 11 only?
Yes.
No. What will happen if I go for 1, 2, 3 into triple 1? Or if I go with 1, 2, 3 into 4 times 1? Or 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 times 1? and so on. Means if I'm flexible to change both the sides, here I was resisted, this was fixed. I want to change this side also. Can I do?
No.
Yes. Mhm. Can I change someone?
I suppose yes.
Yes, Sushila.
No clue.
Sarika,
Yes, we can.
how to do it? See, this is, if this cannot be done,
Yes.
if this cannot be done, then this is just a trick. Working with 11 only. So it's not a trick, it is concept in itself. And it is not applicable on only 11. It is basically applicable on 12, 13, 14, 15, 19 also. But they all have certain eligibilities to understand. So 11, with 11, you don't need to understand anything. It's simple as that. You can start with the journey immediately. Now see for this example, 1, 2,
Yes.
3 into triple 1. Now my first question, see, now where we all went wrong. In entire this multiplication, nobody asked me one question. Why we were making pairs? Why not triplet? Why not 3 digits? Why not 4 digits adding together? Did you ask, Sarika?
No.
And do you
So
know the
because
answer?
like I think because in the traditional method, when what we do is 11 into 12. So we are writing 11 into 12 multiplying by 2 and then we are adding.
No,
So I think correspond.
my question was, I was making pairs. Suppose this was the question. I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 1, 1, 2, 1, and then 2, 3, then 3, 4, then 4, 5, and then 5. Means I was making pairs. Why
Yes.
didn't I added this 1, 2, 3? My
That's
question.
what I'm saying, sir. Because in the method, like what I could understand is like in the traditional method, what we have 1, 11 into 12.
So if
So
you were
first we
if you were not clear, why didn't you ask this?
I did.
Suman? See, students will ask this question. So should I also not answer you?
You wanted answer now.
Sushila, so then it is a big problem. First, I should think the question, then I should answer the question.
Yes.
See, my job is to answer the questions. How can I think the questions also?
It's a good experience.
This is wrong now. This is cheating. This is cheating now.
Students are allowed to cheat, sir.
No. Okay. See, very first thing, understand. We were doing pairs because we were having only 2 ones. Now there would be a difference. I have 3 ones, so I can make triplets. Okay, see how. First is 1, then 1 plus 2, the same thing. But now it would be 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, I'll solve this also separate side by side to show you the difference. 123 into 11, it was 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3. Here, sorry. Then it will become 2 plus 3, then 3. So 1, 3, 6, 5, 3. Now, both the examples are in front of you. Here, because we were having 2 ones, so the maximum combination was only a double. I could not add third digit together. Here, since 3 ones are there, I can make a triplet also. So when I was moving from here, first 1 digit, then 1 and 2, then made a complete triplet. Finish. What happens after this? Because I have to move towards the right only. 2 plus 3 and then 3. Now is it clear? So this is the answer why only 2 digits, and this is the basic understanding, because then only you'll be able to multiply with 111 or 4 times 1 or 5 times 1. Yes, Sushila, clear?
Yes, yes.
Take example, one more example. Radhika? No? Or yes? Not issue. कोई बात नहीं, slow हो जाएगा. 2, 4, 5. So 2, 6. Now 6 plus 5 is 11. 9, 5. So 2, 7, 1, 9, 5. Another way of expression is this way. 2, 2 and 4. 2, 4, 5. 4, 5. 5.
Okay, 2, 6, 9, 3, 7, 9, 5. 2,
Clear
7.
now?
11 I did not get.
तीनों को ऐड किया ना मैंने. 2 plus 4 plus 5. ये देखो. 1 plus 2 plus 3 किया था. यहाँ 2. अच्छा लिख देते हैं पहली बार. 2, 2 plus 4. So what is 2 plus 4 plus 5? और यहाँ 4 plus 5. यहाँ 5. Now it's clear. Any questions now? We'll practice more. Don't worry. 6, 5, 6 into 11, triple 1. Solve.
6, 11, 12.
कि जहां पे भी आपको दिमाग में कोई क्वेश्चन आए, छोटा सा छोटा पूछ लीजिए. उसने में कोई बिल नहीं लगना.
7 to 8
11,
6, 11, 17,
7 to 8, 1, 6.
7, 2, 8, 1, 6.
So how do we do it with 2 digits into 111?
अभी करते हैं.
Make it like putting a 0 in front.
So 28 into triple 1. Now,
So we'll make it 0 to 8.
yes, because that way you will never go wrong. So 0,
Got it.
0 plus 2, again 2, then 10.
Then again 10. Because there will be repetitive addition in between every time. So if you are not writing it 0, we'll get it wrong. If you are not.
Because you'll get confused, huh?
Yes, yes.
You'll get confused.
Yeah.
So you have to balance. This is again balancing, a type of balancing. You have to balance with both the numbers. So now this was a correct question. So I was going to teach this after 5 examples, 4, 5 examples.
Okay.
Yes, everybody has done.
Yes, sir.
आवाज कम होती जा रही है. सुमन कहाँ गए? Where are you, Suman?
I'm here only.
Please come up. Energy is required.
9, 10, 7,
110889.
1,
Correct.
107.
Oh,
100889.
No, 110889. Sir, how to do this mentally, because it was like a carryover of 2. So on pen and paper, we could know this.
again, ma'am. Again, the same thing you asked me. Don't compare your speed. Now,
Yeah.
time will take. Na? When you practice that, once you understand with the carryover of 1, then slowly and steadily you'll understand with the carryover 2 also.
1107.
But the speed, the way is best that way only. Clear now? So now any numbers come, for example, if it is 4, so then also 1, then 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now here see what happens. What would be the next number?
1 plus 2
It
plus
will
3
be
plus
2
4.
plus 3 plus 4.
Yes, Sushila?
1
1 plus 2 plus
plus
3 plus
4 plus 4.
How 4? Do we have 4 digits here?
No.
Then how can we have 4th number? What happens? First 2, 3 done. So what used to you do when it was 2 digits? Then you used to move, shift. It was 2 plus 3 plus 4 now.
Okay.
Then 3 plus 4. And then 4.
And then 4. 13697.
Clear?
Okay, 137974. Okay. 34. Okay.
Done? Any
Yes.
question now? Okay, we'll go for one single 4 digit also, because then we have to understand more methods. So if it is 4 digit, see, I'll be sharing you the video, so don't worry. I'll be giving you the homework which you have to do it, submit it. So now it is 4. Now your thing works like that only. 1 plus 2.
1370974.
So now you are clear with the concept, right? Here you can use paper for some time. For see, from 111, 4 times 1, you can use paper, but slowly, you'll leave this from here also. Once you're clear. Now done?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Yes, Suman, any questions so that we can move to the second topic? We can move. It's already 4:45. So 1 hour, 45 minutes already gone. And
That's-
We'll be finishing by 4.
no, I told you no. That I'm not well, otherwise, so would have gone to 6 also. See, until unless you all say yes, we are thorough with the topic, we will not close. So Saturday, if I would have not gone through surgery now, so I would have. Yes, Suman, questions. Sushila, Radhika. Chalo. You can practice. Still, if you have any doubts left, tomorrow also we are there. And anytime after that also, you have my WhatsApp number. Please save down the WhatsApp number, because I'll be sending the homework on broadcast. It will reach you only if you have saved my number in your address book. Correct? Okay. So now this was the first reason why should we learn Vedic maths. So now you are clear. So this was the first topic. These notes also you'll be getting. So you can download the notes from the group. I'll be sharing you the link. And so everything is given in descriptive manner, very detailed manner. Left hand side, digit 1. Now this D1 plus D2 means digit 1 and digit 2. You'll understand everything. Don't test questions. 141 into 22. You did it. 564. We, I think, did some different question. 576. So we were actually adding corresponding digits and not multiplying. And we were calculating from left to right, rather right to left. Now, so that was one advantage. Just one advantage of Vedic mathematics, that our speed increases. Yes, Sarika. Did speed increased? Do you think speed increased, Radhika, in 11 multiplication? क्या आपकी speed में कुछ बदलाव आया?
Better पहले.
थोड़ा सा. Yes, Suman. What do you think? Speed increased or not?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Sarika, Sushila.
Yes, sir. The speed increased.
Now, the second question comes back to you. You all are teaching in the school. So, what is the burden of maths? What burden do they have? What burden kids do have?
Remember,
They have to buy hard. They have to cramp the multiplications.
Cram
With-
the multiplication tables.
Yes.
See the irony.
So sorry, I couldn't, like, there was a call.
I said, do you find any change in your speed?
Yes, sure, it has increased.
Okay, now the second topic is, what is the burden? What burden do students feel in mathematics?
So doing multiplication is the biggest fear with large numbers. Even with 2-digit numbers also, it's like 2-step process.
Two-step process. So, okay. So here it is otherwise single steps, but right now the basic burden what we think is first the cramming of the tables. That is a fearful factor, or you can say that's the most biggest burden on any child. When we talk to teachers, I don't know about you, teachers from the rural background, they used to tell us stories how they were punished at their time when they were supposed to cram tables and then respond in front of the entire class.
Yes.
Right. So people have faced those teachers have seen that time also. But my question is, why is it necessity? Why we need to cram tables? when we don't ask a direct question on tables, why do we ask them to cram tables then? Yes.
So there are something in schools that we have to learn. So though it's not directly asked after like 11, 12, 13, 14, till 9 we regularly use in all the calculations.
What I've seen is
Even if-
that if a student is giving correct answer for 37 table, then he is asked about 48. If 48 is correct, then 76.
Yes.
So why it is necessary if you don't need it?
So it's not necessary, it's there in the curriculum, I guess.
So curriculum is necessary, na? Right. So why, and then do we have any simple method of teaching that? Or just cramming? So cramming.
Cramming only if
Now take an example. As a mother, what you will suggest your child? Learning something, understanding something, learning and understanding, or cramming?
learning and understanding.
What do you suggest for multiplication tables then?
Sir, I make them learn till 9 only.
What if their class teacher is asking for 47, 58, 97? Then what do you suggest then? You
Sir,
make them,
I don't.
because they have to answer. See, they have to stand in front of the class, not you. Please try to understand that fact. Every teacher, let it be English, Hindi, any science, any social science, everybody teaches. Please understand the concept and then learn it. It is only the math teacher when everything goes out of the head. Tables, we say, cram it. That is the time when children start learning that policy of, you say, the system of cramming. And then entire life, they keep on cramming every subject. Where does this habit develop? Where does it start from? It starts from cramming the tables only. आप बताइए, उससे पहले कोई ऐसी चीज ही नहीं है जिसको क्रैम करना है. So point is, we need something change in our syllabuses also. So today we'll be understanding, we'll be reducing this burden. Now, if I say you don't have to cram the tables, you will get all the tables, any number I'm saying, within seconds. Will you believe?
Of course, sir.
Yes, Radhika, this is for you. 89 का टेबल आप 10 मिनट में कर लेंगी, 10 सेकंड में, सॉरी, हो जाएगा. अब पेपर पेन ध्यान से लिख लेना. So the first thing, the Vedic math does is it reduces your burden. See, burden reduce means the increase in confidence. Both are inversely proportional. Burden reduce hoga, confidence rise hoga. Confidence rise hoga, not in maths only, in every subject, in entire life, right? Just now you observed how your VRL improved. Your visualization, your reasoning, your logics improved without my telling you. Correct? Now, let's see the burden, how it moves out. So we'll do tables in two parts. First, we'll write down the tables of numbers ending with Dinesh.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Now, this is important for you. This is a new topic. So write tables of, so how much time you need to write a table of 89?
It takes 5 minutes.
Now you'll take 5 seconds then. So we'll write first tables ending with 9. Now ending with 9 means 19, 29, 39, 49, your 89, 119, anything, 99199999, anything. So any big number will understand. Correct? Now, so are you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Plus.
पता नहीं, ये भी नहीं पता.
Plus, खेलने वाला.
जोर से अब तो कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए. Criss cross, but we will not do it. चलो, leave it. जब आपको पता ही नहीं है तो we'll not do it. We'll make use of this table. And the first thing is write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll move in the direction from bottom right to top left. Any doubt up till here? Please draw it. Radhika, bana lo
Sir,
ye.
can you repeat it?
Make this table. So start from bottom right, move in this direction 1, 2, 3, then move to the second line 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ये पैटर्न फॉलो करना है बस आप. करेक्ट? ये जारिका डन, सुशीला डन, सुमन.
Yes, sir.
राधिका हो गया? Okay. Second step. Now, what table we have to write? Let's say a simple number 19. Let's complete this 1. Now, first I will make a use of one sutra. That sutra is called as E, Ka, E. I'll break up. I'm breaking up so that it is becoming easy for you. एक अधिक एना, एक अधिक एना पूर्वेना. संस्कृत नेम है, ये पूरा कंबाइंड ही होता है. एकाधिकेना पूर्वेना या एकाधिकेना पूर्वेना. हाँ, बिल्कुल ठीक है. पूर्वेना. दिस मीन्स 1 more than. Purvena means previous. So, ekadikena purvena means 1 more than the previous. ये तो हो गया ट्रांसलेशन. मैथमेटिकल मीनिंग क्या हुआ? Add 1 to the previous number. Correct? So if I give you number 1, what is ekadikena of 1? 2. If I give you 4, what is ekadikena of 4? 5. If I give you 14, so what is ekadikena? 15. If I give you 18, what is ekadikena? 19. If I say, what is ekadikena of 205?
206.
206. समझ आ गया? सिर्फ एक ऐड करना. क्या ये मुश्किल है? Is it difficult? सुमन, सुशीला, yes, राधिका.
Not at all, sir.
This is the first sutra of Vedic mathematics. बहुत यूज आता है ये. I'll show you कहाँ use होगा, तो you'll be कल एक हम करेंगे scaring of two numbers, और देखना कितना fast हो जाएगा. Mentally you'll be able to find scares with this sutra. Correct. Now, but I told you कि you have to apply as per requirement. Now I'll be applying Ekadikena only on the number before 9. Total number pe nahi. Try to understand. Only on the number before 9. So if it is 19, it will become 2.
20.
And 9 तो है here, 9 separate है. So only, when I am not counting 9, 1 पर लगा तो 2 बन गया. अगर यही नंबर 89 होता तो 8 की बजाय 9 आ जाएगा Ekadikena. 9 you don't have to touch. Now whatever this new number is, I'll just add to this corresponding again. 1 plus 2 is
3,
3 plus 2 is
4,
कहाँ से सीखा था मैम 3 plus 2?
5, sir.
क्या करते हैं आप लोग? 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2,
7,
7 plus 2,
9,
9 plus 2,
11,
11 plus 2,
13,
15,
15.
19 आ गया. That means my correct. What is this?
Okay.
What is this? Yes, Sarika, what is this? Your voice is not audible. Shushila,
Table of 19.
so did we multiply? Did we? Now what we are taught always, 19 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19 करते रहो, या रट्टा मार लो. 19 1 are 19, 19 2 are 38, 19 3 are 57. इसके हो जाते हैं आप तो 3.
5, 6.
Now just adding 2 every time, we got the answer. 19 1 are 19, 19 2 38, 57, 76, 25, 114, 133, 152, 171. दिनेश समझ आया?
थोड़ा थोड़ा सर.
कोई बात नहीं. कहाँ नहीं आया वो?
Yes, sir.
जो नहीं समझ आया वो पूछोगे नहीं तो कैसे, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा आपके अंदर क्या चल रहा है? You have to ask me ना. कोई नहीं कुछ कहेगा, सारे सीखने के लिए ही है दिनेश. ये अलग बात है, आज क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछते हैं. Yes. Okay, I'll give you one more example and I hope more clarity. First step, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Yes.
Now I want a table of 39. So 3 here, no doubt. Whatever is this number, one more add, because applying Ekadikena, that means 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So I have to basically add 4 everywhere. 3 plus 4 is
7,
7 plus 4, 11. 11
11.
plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19, 23, 27, 31, 35, and 39 proves me right. So what is this? Table of 39. How much time? How much time it took? Hardly 5 to 6 seconds. Clear? Up Dinesh, now it is clear or not?
Yes, yes, clear. So far, so good.
Sarika,
Yeah.
Rajni, oh, Radhika, sorry. Okay, if it is clear, please write down the table of 29 yourself. Write down 29.
29. Plus 3, 8. Plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 3, 23 plus 3,
We're done.
6.
So how many seconds you took?
2 seconds.
2 seconds, yes, correct. Dinesh done, Sushila done.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now we started with topic of 89 and everybody was, no, I cannot do. Now see how many seconds you take. Yes, Radhika. What happened?
सर मेरा लैपटॉप डिस्चार्ज हो गया था पूरा
17.
See, this was the answer to your question 89. Now see, only 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 9, 35. 35 plus 9, 44. 53. 62. 71. 80 and 89. So hardly 8 to 10 seconds. Yes? Any doubt? Yes, Dilip, Dinesh.
हाँ सर
क्या?
आ रहा समझ में
कितना फास्ट हो गया देखो.
हाँ सर हो गई
आपने 5 मिनट बोला था, अब तो 10 सेकंड भी नहीं लगे आपको.
हाँ जी
100 से 10 सेकंड आ गए. कितने टाइम फास्टर हुए?
इज मच क्विकर
And this is, see what happens when you teach such things in school. क्या आएगा स्कूल में? बच्चों का कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ जाएगा. जो
जी
उनका
सर.
मैथ से डर शुरू हो गया है, that would be removed. डर खत्म हुआ तो धीरे धीरे हर सब्जेक्ट में प्रोग्रेस होगी. It's not only maths, it's every subject. See what we are facing today is डर, fear starts from maths, but धीरे धीरे सभी सब्जेक्ट्स में हो जाता है. And you all are fighting because most of you are from Nepal. I'll tell you, you all are fighting with one more problem, that is of calculators. So इनसे तो use ही नहीं कर रहे हो. We have to, in order to fight against that, we need to develop that habit of using calculations with the help of brain. Once it is done, everybody will be finding it wonderful. Correct? Any question now? Any doubt you have? Okay. So, if all doubts are clear, can you write the table of 59? Or I'll give you a very simple 99. Very simple. Because you just have to add 10. Write down.
Nineteen, 10. 9 plus 19, 19 plus 10, 29. 29. 29, 17. Done, sir.
Clear?
Yes, yes.
I hope all the doubts are now clear. Yes, Suji?
Yes.
Good. Your brother has just gone for a function. Yes, Radhika, what happened? Sarika? वीडियो बंद करके काम शुरू हो गया घर का. See, 100% attendance आपकी तभी हो पाएगी, attention तभी हो पाएगी when you are facing. Okay, not an issue. So now this is not key. It is applicable for only 2 digits. Again, if I have 119, that means what I'll add now? 12, 23,
Yes.
35, 47, 59, 70. Yes, now 71, then 83, 95, 107, and 119. How simple it is. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubts you have?
No, sir.
चलिए एक थोड़ा सा टफ भी करा देते हैं आपको. 149 का बनाइए. So you'll add 15 every time.
So will I be able to leave by 4:30? So can we end by 4:30 today?
No, we cannot end, but yes, see, video would be there. See,
Okay, no
okay,
problem.
don't worry. Yes, done. 149.
Yes.
Sushila,
Yes, sir.
Radhika. See, if you'll not answer, how will I understand? Here, Dinesh. Okay. Then let's consider you all understood. So now, if I ask the same question, how much time now you need to write 87 tables? Yes,
So do we have to write?
87. Please, it will not be the same procedure. It is not ending with 9. So now what do you think? What
So
is
we'll
the
try to make it the number 9 and then subtract it.
So we'll make 90 or 89 and then subtract what?
89.
Okay. Then
89.
how we will subtract every time? So उसकी बजाय तो जो आप पहले करते हो, earlier what we do, one is cramming. 87 ones are 87, 87 twos are something 174. Third again. Then I don't know, huh? And then the second technique you follow is some intelligent person tells you, oh, add 87 every time. Second, then 174 plus 87. Then add. फिर तो आप ये कर लो. These are the only two techniques we follow. Yes, सुशीला, राधिका, इसके अलावा कुछ होता है? दिनेश,
हो सकता है सर.
क्या होता है जो हम कराते नहीं फिर? अभी तक अच्छा यही कराते हैं हम, क्या इसके अलावा कुछ कराते हैं हम?
यही कराते सर.
कभी सोचा नहीं है इसके आगे पीछे हमने कहीं? जनरली टेबल्स कहाँ तक आते हैं बच्चों को?
12.
12. Yes, that is a fact. When I visited so many schools, not even schools, I told you I visited Tribhuvan University on 6th September. Same situation there also. Everybody says confidently 12. And what happens in 13 then? Don't you know the table of 1? Yes, anyone who doesn't know the table of 1? Anyone who doesn't know the table of 3? If you know the table of 1, if you know the table of 3, what is the difference in 13? See. All exhausted or not interested now, huh? Time हो गया sir. छोड़ो, पढ़ना पढ़ाना तो चलता रहेगा. How simple? Same procedure, same thing आपने समझना है कि unit place, tens position जो हमने 11 में किया. 1 digit at 1 unit, 1. So 13, 26, 39. See, for first 3 calculations, you did not need to add also. Here, can we have 2 digits at unit place? Can we have 2 digits at unit place? No, I just 2. 1, I move further. That becomes 5. So that means only added 4 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 6 plus 1. This becomes 65. This becomes 78. This becomes 91. This becomes 104. This becomes 117. This becomes 130. Is this difficult?
No sir.
Why don't you teach in the school then?
We'll teach sir now.
From now.
Yes sir.
I asked you, why didn't you teach them this earlier?
We didn't know about it sir.
Acha, how did you know about pizzas?
Advertisement sir.
That's what. This advertisement was also there on YouTube. See, what we search in YouTube, we search all types of gossip, movies, everything. Did we search for education?
Yes sir, that's true.
That is where we are lacking. See, why do we take it? If it will become a necessity, then we'll learn something. Why don't we stand apart from others? Why don't we enhance our knowledge so that people should ask us about something?
True, sir.
Got my point? And now when I visit Nepal also, see, what I find positive about among them is they have the zeal to learn. Yes, they do have some negative points also because they have allowed calculators to the kids. which has broken that balance in the right. Students are not even able to calculate anything because they have become puppets. They have become dependent on the calculators.
Sir, tap the table of 87.
Sorry,
Sir, it is the table of 87.
how much time you took now?
2 seconds.
So was it difficult? You also didn't think ever putting up in Delhi, capital of India. Everything we know, everything we are updated.
So one more thing, how it is different from abacus, like children are also learning abacus.
We are coming to that point.
Okay.
We have that point. I know this is the first question when parents will ask you.
Yes. And Q maths, ODA maths, there are so many maths comes up.
No issues. First answer my question. Delhi people are most updated one. They have everything with them. So why not education?
So it was there in my mind from so long, but I couldn't take an action to it.
That's what I said. That's what I said you. It was not for you, it was for everybody. We make resolutions every new year. And on the first day we forget. We said, oh, leave it. We'll start on the second now. And that second comes 1 week before the next new year. Every year we keep on postponing our plans. And that is more on the things which are really necessary for us. That includes your health, that includes your knowledge, that includes something for your family. So never postpone what is more important. See, now this corona, what happened? So much of destruction, so much of everything, so many companies ruined out. Who is standing? You know, people who had knowledge. So this gave a lesson. Please update yourself. Enhance your knowledge. And today I'll give you a very big truth also. Even I was not a trainer. This all corona gave. So one has to stand apart. Okay, we'll talk this later. Now, yes, 87 only. So 8, 16, 14, 24, 21, 32, 28, 40, 35. So 1 digits, okay. 4 as it is. 1 goes here. So 1, 7, 4, 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 8, 4, 3, 5. See how easily I am able to calculate, because mental calculation of single digits is very easy. Yes, Radhika, clear hua? Not there. Shushila?
Yes, sir, clear.
Now you can write down any table in seconds.
Yes, sir.
And again, I would say this is not only for 2 digits. Let it be 3 digits.
मेरे ख्याल से 9 बजे तक तो मैं फ्री हो जाना चाहिए, कोई बिल्कुल ही पीछे से करूंगा। ठीक है, करते हैं फिर 9 साढ़े 9 बजे जैसे फ्री होता है आना तो है, आना तो
So again, 1, 2, 3 as it is. 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9, 2, 9, 4, 5, 1, 6. Is it difficult? The same procedure you have to follow. 1 digit at 1 position value. Is it clear now? Any doubt? Any questions you have now regarding tables? Now, if you don't have any question, now I have also got that habit to give you the question also and then the solution, because today nobody is bothered. I hope so.
So
Okay.
is this method applicable for 9 also?
Yes, why not? But the thing is, why should we go for this? Because in that it would be simple.
That method is simple, but we can go for 9 also in this.
Yes, and that's what I'm showing you. See, there you would have added to 12, you would have added 13, 13, 13.
Yes.
So when it is number ending with 9, that is more preferable. But this will definitely, this is a general technique for all numbers. Any 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, any number of digits. Correct? Now, the question was, we don't get tables in the exam. We get multiplications. Yes, 496 into 7. How do we solve? What is 4 into 6? Sorry, 7 into 6? Yes, this we do.
42.
9 7s are 63. Should I write 63 here?
Yes, sir.
Plus 4, 7, 6 here. 7 for the 28 and 6. This is how we do. यही करते हैं, कुछ और करते हैं?
हाँ जी.
अब देखिए वैदिक मैथ्स का तरीका. 7 6 are 42, 63, 28, 2, 7, 34. Now what is the difference? You'll say, sir, एक line extra हो गया. Agreed. ये carry over भी तो चला गया. Now the students can see their answer in front of them. They'll never go wrong. This will give them more confidence, because otherwise what happens, like I was doing a silly mistake, avoiding 4, carryover bhul gaya tha. Because this carryovers are a biggest problem. You learn in the further topic. Now is it clear? Yes, Sarika. Sushila.
Can I leave?
Sorry. Okay.
Sir, I have to leave right now.
Okay.
So you'll be sending the recording on my WhatsApp?
Yes. Yes. Total. I'll be sending it. After 2 hours, we'll be sharing it.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, Dinesh. Is it easy or is it tough now?
It is much easy, sir.
सोच का फर्क है, लिखने
हाँ
का
जी, हाँ जी.
तरीका बदला सिर्फ, पर कॉन्फिडेंस इससे कितना बच्चों को आ जाएगा?
Actually, sir, I'm not related with education recently, ना. School छोड़ के, college छोड़ के काफी time हो गया.
सही बात
So that's why it's time actually.
मैं
Bouncer जा रहा था starting में सब कुछ.
मैं समझ गया आपकी बात.
हाँ जी.
ट्राई टू, पर आपके घर में तो देखा होगा ना बच्चों को कितना
हाँ जी,
मैथ्स
हाँ
में
जी.
परेशान रहते हैं.
हाँ जी.
और अगर ये बात ना होती, मैथ्स की परेशानी ना होती, तो पूरे वर्ल्ड में मैथ्स से क्यों भाग रहे होते लोग? I'll give you example, like, चलिए एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल बताता हूँ. अभी कितने फोन नंबर्स याद हैं आपको?
कुछ भी नहीं सर, अपना अलावा कुछ भी नंबर नहीं है.
और जब लैंडलाइन फोन होता था आपके पास,
जी हाँ जी,
तब कितने याद?
काफी याद होती थी.
तो क्या हुआ? आपने अपने ब्रेन को प्रोग्राम कर दिया कि मेरे सारे नंबर्स मेरे मोबाइल में सेव्ड हैं.
ट्रू सर, ट्रू.
करेक्ट. एंड दिस इज हार्मफुल. मैं आपका मोबाइल छीन लूं तो आपको मतलब कुछ भी नहीं पता ना. समझ रहे मेरी
हाँ
बात?
जी, हाँ जी.
सेम इज हैपनिंग विद द किड्स. हमने उनको, नेपाल में प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आई? बच्चों को यू हैव अलाउड कैलकुलेटर्स. नाउ दे हैव बिकम डिपेंडेंट ऑन द कैलकुलेटर्स. मैं देखिए अभी आपके, मैंने सैनिक स्कूल में भी दिया सेमिनार, आई वाज त्रिभुवन यूनिवर्सिटी में भी दिया, डिफरेंट स्कूल्स में भी दिया. व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन? The situation is they don't know tables above 12. Can you expect a graduate MSc education, MA education student जो मुझे ये बोले कि मैं 12th तक आते हैं?
नहीं सही सर, मेरा भी कंडीशन वही था। मैं एक्चुअली 10th में 2 बार फेल हो गया था जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मैथ। मुझे मैथ में ही फेल होता था, बाकी सब्जेक्ट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं था मेरे को।
एक मुझे एक छोटी सी बात बताइए, किसने बोला कि आपको आपका मैथ्स कमजोर है? That was your teacher.
राइट
Maths,
सर।
maths is not Hawa. That is what we need to change. Somebody asked
मेरा
me.
कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल तभी गिर जाता था सर, जब साथ वाले लोग मेरे साथ वाले दोस्त लोग अलजेब्रा को ऐसे फट 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 बनाते थे। मुझे एक अभी तक समझ में नहीं आता अलजेब्रा,
नहीं आया,
तभी मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल तभी गिर गया। तब से ही दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम सर। फ्रॉम दैट टाइम मैं मैथ को छोड़ ही दिया, फिर नहीं कर पाऊंगा बोल के
सर
गिव अप कर दिया।
आपने छोड़ा नहीं, आपके टीचर ने सबसे पहले आपके दिमाग में भर दिया
हाँ
कि
जी,
आप मैथ कर ही नहीं
हाँ
सकते,
जी,
आप लायक हो मैथ्स में और आप छोड़ दो, यही बेटर है।
हाँ जी।
उसने आपको एक
हाँ, इजी वे से सिखाने की किसी ने कोशिश ही नहीं की ना। तो
क्या कर, मैं बताता हूँ, देखिए मैथ्स का
हाँ
टीचर
जी,
को सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट दी जाती है, सबसे ज्यादा सैलरी दी जाती है, और फिर भी मैथ्स में ही
हाँ
सबसे ज्यादा बच्चे फेल होते हैं।
हाँ जी।
तो फिर किसका दोष है? सारे बच्चों का ही दोष है। Correct. So I'm into business from last 27 years now. Why I did this? Students commit suicide just because of this subject maths. Is it so much important कि suicide कर लिया जाए इसके लिए? So why not to
ट्रू
make
सर।
it fun? Why not to make it easy? And that is what I'm working on. Right? Chalo, no issues. So we'll just move ahead. Yes, Sushila, are you getting?
Yes sir.
आप हैं कि चले गए?
हूँ सर यहीं पे।
So you are also teaching in some school?
Yes sir.
Okay, कहाँ पे? गुवाहाटी में?
जी सर, मेघालय है स्कूल।
अच्छा, स्कूल गुवाहाटी और मेघालय तो साथ साथ ही जुड़े हुए हैं ना, बिल्कुल एक साथ ही।
बच्चे दूसरे स्टेट्स हैं।
हाँ मुझे पता है, मैं गुवाहाटी आया हूँ, सीआरपीएफ में मेरे अंकल डीआईजी थे, तब मैं आया था, विजिट किया था मैंने। तो वैसे भी गुवाहाटी में एक यूनिवर्सिटी में आया था मैं, सीएमजे यूनिवर्सिटी में, तो आई रिमेम्बर। सो बॉर्डर साथ साथ है दोनों के। चलिए, ओके, एंड वी आर रनिंग अ स्कूल इन हैलाकंडी, असम। वी हैव हमारा एक प्री स्कूल भी रन हो रहा है हैलाकंडी में।
पता नहीं मुझे सर।
We run a chain of preschools. This Vedic maths is one my specialized subject, which I am an author, I am a trainer. But apart from this, our company is giving schools, preschools, nursery teacher training. Right. Okay. So this we did. Now, one important thing comes. We were discussing advantages. So first advantage we discussed, it increases the speed. Did you feel the change in the speed? Yes. Second, it reduces burden. So burden was reduced or not? Tables का खत्म हो गया concept.
हाँ जी।
Yes sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, इसके अलावा, what are the advantages? See, it reduces scratch work. Scratch work means when you are teaching, when you are doing maths, you always take a rough sheet. Correct. Where you do rough work. Here, rough work was required. आपने 10-digit number भी जब add किया, did you require rough work?
नहीं sir.
क्योंकि maximum things we are doing mentally, and some step we can do on paper also. So even rough was, as well as finger counting. Now finger counting has been reduced. Now this was the question Sarika was asking, what is difference? So finger counting, how do you like finger counting? क्या आपके बच्चे जब fingers पे count करते हैं, do we like that? No, because we don't like that expression. How does this habit of finger counting? Now this is what is known as finger counting. How does this habit develop? Yes, during the school time and everything. Apart from this, some students are doing abacus. What is the, now when you see this workshop is that you become a trainer in Vedic mathematics. You learn Vedic maths, and further, you can teach Vedic maths to different students. Now, so the first question every parent has in the mind is how it is different from abacus. Now, I will not say abacus is not good. Yes, it is also good. It is a mental tool. But what are the basic differences? Limited scope. When we talk about abacus, you can do only arithmetical calculations. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. इससे ज़्यादा जैसे ही जाते हैं squares, finish. 2-2 साल लग जाते हैं सिर्फ basic arithmetic operations में. And whereas in Vedic math, with the help of all these sutras, we can do entire mathematics. So that may be arithmetic, that may be algebra, that may be geometry, calculus, phonics, etc. Correct. So this is one major advantage. Second, use of tool. Now, abacus, it makes use of a tool. That is what? Beads. And can you carry tool every time to the school or a class? Boliye.
No, sir.
So here all the calculations are done in mind. जैसे आज कुछ calculations की दिमाग में हो गया खत्म कहानी. We don't need a tail. So Vedic math is much more effective way of learning. पढ़ भी सकते हैं and teaching also, and it is easier and faster. Correct. So this is two major differences. Third, in India, if I talk about Sushila, now it has been implemented as per our national education policy. So it is compulsory. By next year, every class from 3rd to 9th will have to study this subject. So if they have to study this subject, think how many new teachers will be appointed. Right. And Nepal, if I talk about Nepal, so Nepal is never far away from India. They always follow the same policies. And in the past 4 months only, I have trained in 50 plus institutions. So see the business growing over there, right? So many schools have implemented. In Ataria region, they have implemented, Dinesh, it's very near to you, 40 kilometers. Sadhana Academy, Taria. Then Doti, उमेश जी जिनसे बात हुई थी उनके स्कूल में. ऐसे ही काठमांडू, so many institutions have taken, right? So this way Vedic maths is being implemented. Correct. Fourth reason, it helps to increase concentration. So what is concentration? Concentration is nothing but when you do something repetitively and you find interest in this. आपने मैथ्स क्यों छोड़ा? क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट नहीं बना. लोगों ने आपको पीछे से बोल दिया आप कर नहीं सकते. आपने भी you just said okay, I cannot do. You agreed with them. But if you start loving the calculations, if you start finding the interest, if you have that VRL, visual ability, reasoning, logics, your both brains are active, left brain, right brain, then definitely you will find more positivity. Acha, ek cheez bataएं, Sushila and Dinesh, when we were doing tables, were not some positive vibes going inside the body? थोड़ा सा trembling, थोड़ा सा खुशी महसूस हो रही थी कि yes, it's so easy, it was so easy, we didn't know.
Yes, sir.
What are the things? That is known as positive vibes going inside. And same, you might have experienced, Sushila, when we were doing 11 calculations. So big calculation, immediately we are doing.
Right, sir.
Then we feel positive from inside. अभी मैं जितने मर्जी tables आपसे कराता जाऊं, आप करते जाएंगे because you are feeling positive from inside regarding that. So when you start feeling positive towards anything, you will try to repetitively do that. If you try to do repetitively calculations, that will definitely improve immediately, right? So calculations improve, maths improve, the concentration अपने आप बढ़ गया ना. There is no tablet, there's no syrup for concentration. It is when your body, your mind works in accordance, and that will automatically work. when you find positivity, when you find interest in the subject. Right? It helps to reduce silly mistakes. Now, what were the silly mistakes? If you remember, the silly mistakes were carryovers. Multiple carryovers आते हैं. 576 into 121. That means 3 times multiplication करना था. That means 3 times carryover आने थे. कई बार ये भूल जाते हैं which carryover was to be taken. क्योंकि एक लाइन carryover देती है, second line भी carryover देती है, third line भी. So multiple carryovers. Here no carryover. Only single maximum 2. So जब reduced carryovers हो जाएंगे तो silly mistakes अपने आप कम. Second thing, now subtraction, that is the second which creates a burden in students. समझ ही नहीं आता 1000 में से 99 निकालने हैं तो वो 99 क्यों ले रहे हैं ऊपर. We borrow 1 from 1 and the 0 becomes 9, other 0 becomes 9 and the third 0 becomes 10. We never able to understand. समझ आता है पहले?
Yes.
And here there is a simple rule. It says all from 9 last from 10 and your job is done. No borrow over. Can you think subtraction without borrow? So in Vedic maths, we don't have a concept of borrow. Till calculations full. Right? So no borrowers, reduce carryovers, that reduces your silly mistakes. Okay, now do you think any disadvantages are there? Yes, Sushila, any disadvantages?
ऐसा लगता तो नहीं सर, एडवांटेजेस ही अभी तक तो एडवांटेजेस ही दिखाई दे रहा है सर.
दो बता दूं. दिनेश,
बोलिए सर.
yes Dinesh, any disadvantages?
एडवांटेजेस क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन अपनी माइंड को टेक्निकली हम लोग अपनी माइंड के साथ क्या बोल रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं, तो इससे डिसएडवांटेज तो नहीं लगता मुझे.
तो डिसएडवांटेज ये होंगे कि आपको कैलकुलेटर्स की अब जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. तो जो घर में कैलकुलेटर्स है वो सारे फेंकने पड़ेंगे. Correct.
True, sir.
Second disadvantage is your friends will be jealous of you because today you learned what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. आप किसी नए टीचर को भी अगर ये पूछते हैं, मैथ्स के टीचर को भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, they will not be able to answer. And now you know the concept 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. How fast you can do now. Just ask these 2 basic questions from anybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11 and table of 89. And then answer them within seconds. They'll definitely feel jealous and they'll never able to digest how you can be so fast. So that happens really. Right, jokes apart. So tomorrow we'll meet. But before that, so now you believe this subject Vedic mathematics makes mathematics magical?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Great. So now I will so we'll give you homework. One is you should have Facebook account. So one is your profile, but other than that, if you can do, go for a page. If you want to launch your classes, if you want to earn through this Vedic maths, you should have a page of it so that you can advertise on that, right? So one thing, I'll share you the homework for that. Save my number. I'll be sharing right now after some time from the group. Second, you should have a Facebook page and Instagram page so that the rest of the part will understand tomorrow how you can launch your classes, because this workshop is not only to learn Vedic maths, it is also to launch your classes. So if you are looking forward for that, so after tomorrow, right on Monday also you can take a class. Correct? And because with students you need the basic topics. So that is clear with you. Correct? So any doubts, any questions now?
No sir.
Yes, Sushila?
No sir.
चलो, so we'll meet tomorrow same time, 2 p.m. Indian time and 2:15 Nepali time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
आज टाइम पे नहीं था मैं, tomorrow I will be on time.
अभी आप वीडियो देख लीजिए रात को, फिर कोई भी डाउट हो व्हाट्सएप कर।
ठीक है सर.